Go to fakeinfo.net. Scroll down and in the Social Media Tools section click on the Skype Chat Generator button. Here are the options to generate the fake Skype chat screenshot. Choose the screen mode. Hide the header and footer from here. Choose the OS layout which you want. Set time and battery percentage. Select the status icon. Change the status. Upload the profile pic. Change the sender's name. Set the message time and type the message. Click the below button to add the message. Now for the reply to the message, go to the person to option. Set the message time and type the message. Click the below button to add the message. Now click on the download button to download your screenshot.